Hello everybody, this is Taras from Canada Appliance Repair. I have a Samsung washer here which has had a problem. No power, the display wasn't working at all, and sometimes it can start working and then you turn it off, and then 10 times you cannot turn it on. First I was thinking that it's a display problem. I have replaced this part because I was finding with my multimeter that I'm getting 12 volts there, but I tried the display board, it didn't work. And the real problem was I was hearing the clicking sound on the control board, which is at the back, this one here. So the real problem in my case was this control board, which is I replaced, and it was a relay making clicking sounds when I tried to turn it on, but nothing happens. One of those relays, or maybe that relay, I have no idea. Anyway, I'm testing now this one and it works very well. So if you have this problem, if you hear the clicking sounds of the relays, then this is the part that you need. Okay, just a short video. Okay, good luck everybody.